Chapin 78005 Low Profile 12 Cutewill Drain Pan is designed to help you avoid spills and minimize cleanup. With its low profile, it effortlessly slides underneath various vehicles such as ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, motorcycles, and more, especially those with low clearance. Proper recycling of used oil is essential, and with this drain pan, the task becomes less burdensome. Its spacious target area allows for collection without splashing, and the tank is completely leak-free. Additionally, the built-in handles make it convenient to carry. This versatile pan can be used for draining oil, coolant, and other additives. The Lyle low-profile adjustable seal puller is the perfect solution for situations where clearance is limited. With the ability to remove the pin and reposition the head, you can easily maneuver the tool in tight spaces. It features two hook sizes that efficiently remove a wide range of oil and grease seals. The adjustable head is particularly effective for front-wheel drive transaxles, allowing you to tackle those challenging seal removal tasks. Additionally, it can be used to remove front crankshaft seals without the need to remove the radiator. The Lyle low-profile adjustable seal puller is a versatile tool that simplifies seal removal in various automotive applications. Craftsman 2-in-1 laser level stud sensor offers accurate, compact, and user-friendly tools for leveling, measuring, and stud finding. Choose from red or highly visible green laser options for partition installation, shelving, and tile work. The integrated stud sensor reliably detects wood and metal studs and detects live AC for safety. It also projects a horizontal laser line for precise leveling. Trust Craftsman for professional results in leveling, measuring, and stud finding projects. The Lincoln 18086 Drum Plug Wrench, a safe and efficient tool for opening and closing fluid drum caps and plugs. Made from non-sparking cast aluminum, it ensures safety and provides a comfortable grip. Say goodbye to makeshift tools and enjoy the convenience of this practical wrench. Designed for various industries, including agriculture, construction, and fleet maintenance, the Lincoln Drum Plug Wrench is versatile and cost-effective. It fits plastic and metal caps of all sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Experience the ease and durability of the Lincoln 18086 Drum Plug Wrench. Simplify your drum-related tasks and save time and effort with this reliable tool. The BAYU 2 Pro is a versatile and innovative modular car maintenance set designed to meet various needs in car care. It offers a compact and convenient storage solution with a sleek and elegant design. The set includes a powerful and adjustable flashlight with multiple lighting modes and a long battery life. It also features a mobile power module with fast charging capabilities and wireless charging for mobile phones. The set includes components for car washing, air pumping, and tire inflation, ensuring convenience and efficiency. With its modular design, the BAYU 2 Pro provides a comprehensive solution for car maintenance and aims to build a product ecosystem to cater to various life scenarios. The Letty Weave tool is a specialized tool designed to simplify the installation of Letty brackets. It comes in Letty 8 and Letty 10 variants to accommodate different bracket sizes. With this tool, mounting Letty brackets becomes effortless, whether it's for single pin or plaster brackets. Simply insert the Letty clamp into the tool, position it correctly, and secure it in place with a few hammer blows. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace the plastic end piece on the piston when signs of wear or bending occur. The Lyle 60050 heavy-duty yoke puller is a dependable tool designed specifically for removing commercial heavy-duty yokes from transmissions and rear-end differentials without causing any damage. It is suitable for yokes commonly found on Class 6 to 8 trucks. The yoke puller kit includes strong grade 8 bolts that ensure durability and reliable performance. All components of the tool are heat-treated for added strength and longevity. With the Lyle 60,050 heavy-duty yoke puller, you can confidently remove heavy-duty yokes with ease while protecting your yokes and other components. Simplify your yoke removal tasks with this reliable tool. Klein Tools USB digital meters offer the convenience and accuracy you need for measuring USB port parameters. These testers provide precise measurements of voltage, current, capacity, energy, and resistance simultaneously, giving you comprehensive information about the USB port's performance. With their battery-free design, these meters are lightweight and portable, making them ideal for on-the-go use. Simply plug the meter into the USB port, and it will display the measurements instantly. Whether you're troubleshooting USB devices or assessing the performance of USB charging ports, Klein Tools USB digital meters are the reliable tools you can trust. The Mastic eccentric stud driver is a reliable and efficient tool designed for precise stud replacement. It is specifically designed for studs with diameters ranging from 4 to 19 millimeters squared, offering versatility for various applications. The unique design securely holds the non-threaded part of the stud during replacement, ensuring accuracy and stability. Whether you're working with agricultural machinery, trucks, or tractors, this tool is suitable for a wide range of applications in the field. The Kutali Tensioner is a remarkable tool designed specifically for wine growers to simplify wire tensioning in vineyards. Created by Philippe Bernard, it offers a unique winding system that ensures optimal tension with ease. This tool is not only ideal for tensioning wires, but also for repairing them, making it highly efficient and practical. With the Cutewill Tensioner, you can effortlessly wind up to 1.5 meters of wire. To use it, simply slide the thread between the two strands and turn the key until you achieve the desired tension. Positioning the tensioner next to the end posts for optimal results reduces displacements and facilitates thread tightening. With its high-tension handle, the Cutewill Tensioner offers comfortable and easy operation. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of this tool, as it significantly simplifies wire tensioning in vineyards, allowing you to maintain the ideal tension for your threads throughout the year. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.